Alright guys, we are in the all new 2025 Honda CRV LX edition, and we are going to take this for a night drive. Enjoy the views, guys. Let's take off the engine stop feature. So like I've noticed before, guys, it does have some pretty good pickup. I give credit to the turbocharger that is connected to it, that allows it to be a little bit quick on the acceleration. Not a lot of illumination in the actual car at night, guys, but your knobs are illuminated from your door all the way to your climate control, your shift pad, along with all the features that is available on this shifter right here. It's a quiet car, guys. And the braking feels very solid. You know, we're in 2025, at least we're going into 2025, and a lot of these new cars, guys, it just drives so good compared to the older versions. Another thing that I didn't mention, I actually really like the red push to start button. It's not actually red, guys, but it does illuminate red, so it just looks like it's a red push to start button. It's pretty cool. Now I want to drive a little bit more spirited, guys. Like I mentioned before, if you guys watched the review of the car, there is no sport mode in the actual drive mode that you can switch electronically. You actually have to put the car in S, which is sport mode. Seems right here, this menu on the left side of your speedometer seems to be very simple and informative. You can find out a lot of things as you just scroll this wheel down, guys, on your speedometer. Very convenient to have that right there on the left side of your display. So smooth. I mean, these 2025 cars, guys, I mean, they're so updated. Like I said, the QC on this car, guys, wasn't the greatest, but they didn't miss on certain things. Like the suspension, they did a very good job with the suspension. Hands off the steering wheel, feels very smooth. comparison to the hybrid motor, guys, you will be getting about 37 miles as your combined mileage per gallon, guys. So the hybrid is better on gas, obviously, but not by much, about 7 more miles per gallon. Now you can't hear the tires over certain spots, guys, but it doesn't matter what car we're in, you will hear it like that over certain parts of the road. However, these tires are very, very quiet on the road, guys, and it cushions the ride so much. It's very comfortable. There's no reason to wonder why this is Honda's highest selling car, next to the Honda Civic and Accord. It performs very good, and my personal opinion is that you get a lot of car for the price, and you get the peace of mind with that Honda reliability. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this 2025 Honda CRV LX. Guys, if you're feeling the content, be sure to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. This car's not bad, guys. It's a pretty decent car for the daily commute. And honestly, you get more space than the Toyota RAV4 and more space than a Honda Accord just for $1,500 more. Not a bad car at all.